Hi there, folks. It's Jonathan Denwood here. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about the benefits of affiliate marketing, especially if you're building courses. It's a great way of building your membership business up. People have used affiliate marketing in a very effective ways. But I think there's some things that you really need to know, especially if you're a beginner in this area. Got a great load of experience. We've helped loads of people build membership community focused businesses using the power of WordPress. I will be back in a few moments, folks. Coming back. So you're looking at affiliate marketing to help you launch or build your membership community focused website. Now at WP-Tonic, we've got a lot of experience in the leading WordPress affiliate marketing plugins. The good news is WordPress has some fabulous solutions there. There's about 3 or 4 of them available. I'm not going to go into the individual particular affiliate plugins in this video. I've written an article. You'll find the link in the video description underneath, where I do go into that information in quite a bit of detail. In this video, I just want to explain some of the key things that you need to know. Now, affiliate marketing can be a fabulous way of you getting new possible targeted individuals onto your website that will be interested in your course subject, and the possibility of turning those into paying students if they're referred by affiliates is very high. But there's some key things you've got to understand here. Yes, there are certain website marketplaces that you can sign up that have professional affiliate marketers in that are part of these marketplaces, and they have the technology, blah, 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 and they've already got these people, and it seems very attractive. The only problem is the platform, you have to give a sizable cut of any affiliate income on top of what you're giving to the affiliates as part of those platforms. The problem is, it seems very attractive, but if you're starting out in this, I would strongly advise you not to go down that route. I think if you're starting out, until you really gain some real experience in this area, you've be better off utilizing a WordPress plugin solution, and you need to identify influencers in your space that are doing affiliate marketing. You can join these platforms for free normally, and you can see the leading affiliates, or you can go online, YouTube, TikTok, see who the affiliates are, and you would be best to individually try and contact. I would suggest that if you're new to this, that you don't approach the leaders. I think you would be better off approaching second tier providers that are not got the biggest audiences, but neither the smallest audience. You would be better off finding the middle ground and doing the approach and trying to get them to have a Zoom with you and have a chat with you. And you need to see, are they prepared to plug your particular course to their audience? Are they prepared to write? Are they prepared to make videos, content that talks about your course? And secondly, what kind of affiliate deal that you're going to have to provide them? Now, there you are untested. You have no track record in producing courses that that their audience would find useful. They are going to have to invest time to check your course out. If they're not going to recommend something to their audience, no matter how attractive your affiliate package is, and they've got to make an assessment, is it worth their time to check you out? Because you haven't got any track record. So you must keep that in mind. And this will take, to get the ball rolling, the personal touch. You've got to do the outreach. And just outreaching once isn't good enough. You're probably going to have to outreach 2, 3, maybe 4 times until you get a response. I'm not suggesting that you blitz these people. I don't agree with that either. But space out your outreach over a 3-month period, but be consistent about it and do it personally. Obviously, you're going to have email templates constructed. Obviously, there's a lot of resources out there that give you free templates to do the email, or LinkedIn, whatever kind of social media platform you're utilizing to do the outreach, or you've found their email address, but do it personally and try and get that Zoom, get that online meeting so you can explain what your course is, your experience, what your target audience is. Does it match? You've done the research, it seems to match with their audience. What would be the benefit that their audience would get by signing up your course? You've got to work out all these answers before you have these discussions with possible partners. And that's what these people are going to become, partners with you. So they're going to check you out and you've got to check them out. Hopefully you found this video useful. It's planted some ideas into your mind. Like I say, I've written an extensive article. You find the link in the video description underneath. You can also book a Zoom with me totally free if you go to the WP-Tonic websites. And in the links in the description, there's a load of other free resources that I offer. Hopefully you found this video useful. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It really does encourage me to make more of these videos. I'll see you soon, folks. Bye.